That night, Jabu sat up and carefully sharpened the arrows, carefully dipping them into the poison.
Hi, my name is Jacqui Du Toit and I'm a mask artist. Through mask, we offer African storytelling, sharing the love and telling the story from the motherland with some drumming, some singing, and a little bit of dancing with some beautiful stories that was passed down from many generations, and we're bringing it all to you.
And when the sun rose over the horizon the next morning, the king and Jabu went on their way.
So when we share some of our stories, we include a little bit of language, a little bit of sharing of diversity from different parts of Africa into one beautiful performance.
The hill and down again, across the river, down to the valley. They went over the hill.
It's very important for me to share these cultural stories because it is becoming a lost art. A lot of people are slowly losing touch with their cultural background, and I find that the art of storytelling is a form of medicine that has been passed down from very many different generations.
And when they got down to the valley, Jabu said, "Hey, my king."
What drives my passion is the young ones, is seeing the look on their eyes when you start a story. It's not just the small ones, it's the children inside, the adults as well. You know, you see the light inside of them, their eyes light up in wonder as they get transported into another world. And that's why we do it. We do it for the love of that connection where we are both connected in that time, space, and reality, but in another world.